Welcome to Technology Hub, and in today's video we'll discuss more about in .NET Core 6, and also we'll find it out what exactly the differences between .NET Core 5 and .NET Core 6 in the console application. Okay, so in previous video we already discussed the .NET Core 5, and today's video will discuss more about the .NET Core 6. So let's open the Visual Studio 22. So I'm opening the Visual Studio 22. Okay, it's a community version, so that you don't require any licenses for this. So let me create a new project. Okay, so I'm creating a new project, or I can use here. So I'm selecting this console app, then click next, then I'm selecting the project C# Core 6. Okay, and the solution is the let's take the same one. Okay, let's keep it in the same way, and then I'm selecting the next, and then it's showing 5.0. I'm selecting it to the 6.0 and then create it. Okay, so we'll discuss the 6.0 here, and then we'll compare the 5.0 and 6.0, what exactly the difference is. Okay, so now when I open this project, you can able to see there is no namespaces. Okay, so if I'll show you the other one in previous video what we have created, so let me open that in a separate window. So this one we have created in .NET Core 5. Okay, now if you'll notice this program file, so we have all the namespaces, system generated namespaces, then our project namespaces, then along with the classes, then it start the main method, then it's used to write all the printing statements. Okay, so this is in the .NET Core 5. Now if I'll go to the .NET Core 6, okay, now if I'll go to the .NET Core 6, you can able to see only the printing method. Okay, so there is no namespaces, no classes, no system generated namespaces or anything, or no main method as well. So how exactly it's executing? So if you'll go to this project file, okay, if you go to this project file, now you can able to see there is a target framework of .NET 6.0, and if you'll notice here, the implicit using is enabled. So implicitly that is used by .NET framework. Okay, so that means that using statement and main methods and all that will be used internally, so we no need to type that thing, so that will be automatically handled by the .NET framework. So that's why we are not using any kind of main method or any kind of using statements here. So let's check it out how exactly it's working. Okay, if I run this statement, it should print hello world. Okay, so let's see how exactly it's printing. Now if you'll notice here, it's printing hello world. Okay, now if you'll see the .NET 5.0 and 6.0, this is the major differences. So let's see one more difference. Okay, if we'll go to this project project file, then you can able to see these two statements it's added newly. Okay, this is the framework version 6.0. this already exists in .NET 5.0 in .NET 5.0 project, but if you'll see these two tags, and if I'll open this same thing in this .NET 5.0, you'll not able to see any kind of tag called implicit using and nullable. You can see here no implicit using and nullable. Okay, so this is the another difference. So that's the reason why we are not using this using and main method and all. So there is no harm to use here. If you can use the main method, that is also fine. If you're not using, that is also fine. But if I go to this project file and if I'll comment these things, okay, if I'll comment these things and if I'll go ahead and run these applications, let's see how exactly it's behaving. It's not working. Okay, if we'll see here, it's not working. So it's saying that the name console doesn't exist in the current context. So this means it's not finding the namespaces. Okay, because this .NET was handling previously with the help of this tag, now it's not handling because I have commented out these things. Okay, so that's the reason why it's working. So if I wanted to use this with comment, by commenting this one, if I want to use this program, what I need to do, I need to explicitly handle these things. How exactly I can explicitly handle these things? I can use the using keyword from my side. Okay, system.using. So now we can able to see there is no errors. If I'll run this application, now I can able to run this application. Okay, now I can say the hello world. Okay, so this is basically the major differences between .NET Core 6 and .NET Core 5 in console application. There are many differences in the web MVC applications and all. .NET Core 5 and 6, if you are running any kind of web applications in .NET Core 5 and 6, but this is one of the difference that will MVC related things will go in the later video sessions, but currently understand these are the major differences between the .NET 5 and .NET 6. Okay, so if I wanted to run this, if I wanted to use one more printing statement, I can able to do this. Okay, so this similar way I can able to do that one. So if I go here, hello India, okay, and if I'll run this one, I can able to run this application. Okay, hello world and hello India. And as we already discussed in the previous statement, if I'll remove this right line here, it cannot able to get printed in the two lines, it will be in the same line. So if I'll run this one, you can able to see in the same line, you see both are in the same line. Okay, so that's the reason why we are using the right line statement. Okay, so this right line used to help to print the record in the next line, and right will print the record in the same line. Okay, so that's the basically all about this session. Okay, we'll discuss more things in the next video session. Thank you very much.